Okay, here we have J.M. Smucker's J.H. Day dual arm Sigma blade mixer that we did a rebuild on. This mixer has gone through a lot of changes. We blasted it, repainted it, had new gears made for it, all new bushings, all new shafts made for it. The gears inside this yellow cover, one gear is brand new, the other gear has been recut, so that's all new. Back here on the drive motor that we're looking at right here, that's a brand new motor. The other one you couldn't fix or do anything with, so we put in a new motor. We've also made 3 new packing pushers. We installed these packing pushers into it, along with some new rope packing, so it should be in good shape there. Inside these right here, these are the trunnions for the agitator shafts. These have 4 new bronze bushings in them, so all that's on new bushings. The shafts for the agitators, all 4 shafts are new. The bowl has been polished, the blade's been polished. Tried to remove, not all, but most of the scarring that was in there. So that all looks pretty good. Here again on this side, there's 2 new packing pushers, again with new bronze bushings. This machine also has Babbitt bearings here, one on each side. This is what it tilts from. So it's got new Babbitt bearings in it here. That on the dump mechanism, it has a new Babbitt bearing down here. All these need to be greased often. The dump motor itself, we couldn't find a replacement dump motor, so we had this one rebuilt. So that's rebuilt, ready to go. Although we need the electrical schematics so we can wire it up through your box and make this work. Right now, we're not able to make it run through your box, although we can wire it direct and test it. So overall, the machine turned out pretty nice for an old machine. You'll get a lot of good service out of it. The key is to keep these things lubricated. A lot of people don't do it, and we should. Make sure you put a lot of grease in this thing. I hope this meets everybody's expectations. I think it turned out pretty nice.